What is Pandoproject but for a 5-year-old? How easy, how simple can you understand what are we doing? Well, today you're going to be able to find out. Let's go. Now, imagine Pandoproject as one big computer that everyone can use together. Now, more and more people are actually joining us in Pandoproject and using this supercomputer. But why? Because it helps them store, save, and even upload their pictures, messages securely. Because we are decentralized. Now, decentralization actually helps completely make things secure. That's the reason decentralization was created. So, well, if you guys want, this is the reason to join us. But more and more people are actually joining and helping us do this stuff to actually store, secure our pictures and messages and videos and all this by actually downloading an application called Remitron. Now, Remitron, you can download it on your phone, your laptop, your tablet. And if you guys do not want to, run an application continuously, you can even put it on a server that runs for you 24/7 and gives you PTX for free. Now, in exchange for helping us actually secure our system, we grant you guys PTX tokens, which can be converted to cash at any time you want in exchanges that we are already listed in. Probit, for example. So because of this, we are one huge community and we would love for every single one of you guys to join us.